Genesis chapter 34 verses 1 to 31. Genesis chapter 34 verse 1. And Dinah the daughter of Leah, which she bare unto Jacob, went out to see the daughters of the land. Genesis chapter 34 verse 2. And when Shechem the son of Hamor the Hivite, prince of the country, saw her, he took her, and lay with her, and defiled her. Genesis chapter 34 verse 3. And his soul clave unto Dinah the daughter of Jacob, and he loved the damsel, and spake kindly unto the damsel. Genesis chapter 34 verse 4. And Shechem spake unto his father Hamor, saying, Get me this damsel to wife. Genesis chapter 34 verse 5. And Jacob heard that he had defiled Dinah his daughter. Now his sons were with his cattle in the field, and Jacob held his peace until they were come. Genesis chapter 34 verse 6. And Hamor the father of Shechem went out unto Jacob to commune with him. Genesis chapter 34 verse 7. And the sons of Jacob came out of the field when they heard it, and the men were grieved, and they were very wroth, because he had wrought folly in Israel in lying with Jacob's daughter, which thing ought not to be done. Genesis chapter 34 verse 8. And Hamor communed with them, saying, The soul of my son Shechem longeth for your daughter. I pray you give her him to wife. Genesis chapter 34 verse 9. And make ye marriages with us, and give your daughters unto us, and take our daughters unto you. Genesis chapter 34 verse 10. And ye shall dwell with us, and the land shall be before you. Dwell and trade ye therein, and get your possessions therein. Genesis chapter 34 verse 11. And Shechem said unto her father and unto her brethren, Let me find grace in your eyes, and what ye shall say unto me I will give. Genesis chapter 34 verse 12. Ask me never so much dowry and gift, and I will give according as ye shall say unto me, but give me the damsel to wife. Genesis chapter 34 verse 13. And the sons of Jacob answered Shechem and Hamor his father deceitfully, and said, Because he had defiled Dinah their sister. Genesis chapter 34 verse 14. And they said unto them, We cannot do this thing, to give our sister to one that is uncircumcised, for that were a reproach unto us. Genesis chapter 34 verse 15. But in this will we consent unto you, if ye will be as we be, that every male of you be circumcised. Genesis chapter 34 verse 16. Then will we give our daughters unto you, and we will take your daughters to us, and we will dwell with you, and we will become one people. Genesis chapter 34 verse 17. But if ye will not hearken unto us, to be circumcised, then will we take our daughter, and we will be gone. Genesis chapter 34 verse 18. And their words pleased Hamor, and Shechem Hamor's son. Genesis chapter 34 verse 19. And the young man deferred not to do the thing, because he had delight in Jacob's daughter, and he was more honorable than all the house of his father. Genesis chapter 34 verse 20. And Hamor and Shechem his son came unto the gate of their city, and communed with the men of their city, saying. Genesis chapter 34 verse 21. These men are peaceable with us, therefore let them dwell in the land, and trade therein, for the land, behold, it is large enough for them. Let us take their daughters to us for wives, and let us give them our daughters. Genesis chapter 34 verse 22. Only herein will the men consent unto us for to dwell with us, to be one people, if every male among us be circumcised, as they are circumcised. Genesis chapter 34 verse 23. Shall not their cattle and their substance and every beast of theirs be ours? Only let us consent unto them, and they will dwell with us. Genesis chapter 34 verse 24. And unto Hamor and unto Shechem his son hearkened all that went out of the gate of his city, and every male was circumcised, all that went out of the gate of his city. Genesis chapter 34 verse 25. And it came to pass on the third day, when they were so, that two of the sons of Jacob, Simeon and Levi, Dinah's brethren, took each man his sword, and came upon the city boldly, and slew all the males. Genesis chapter 34 verse 26. And they slew Hamor and Shechem his son with the edge of the sword, and took Dinah out of Shechem's house, and went out. Genesis chapter 34 verse 27. The sons of Jacob came upon the slain, and spoiled the city, because they had defiled their sister. Genesis chapter 34 verse 28. They took their sheep, and their oxen, and their asses, and that which was in the city, and that which was in the field. Genesis chapter 34 verse 29. And all their wealth, and all their little ones, and their wives took they captive, and spoiled even all that was in the house. Genesis chapter 34 verse 30. And Jacob said to Simeon and Levi, Ye have troubled me to make me to stink among the inhabitants of the land, among the Canaanites and the Perizzites, and I being few in number, they shall gather themselves together against me, and slay me, and I shall be destroyed, I and my house. Genesis chapter 34 verse 31. And they said, Should he deal with our sister as with an harlot?